Above all, please subscribe to the channel to continue publishing content. Do you struggle with stringiness? It can be so frustrating when your curls dry stringy and end up frizzy and limp. In this video, I'm going to share common mistakes that I've made in the past that led to stringiness and how to style your curls for more clumps. Not regularly clarifying, leading to buildup. Why? Ingredients in our products can build up on the hair, preventing the hair from curling up properly and absorbing moisture. Solution: use a clarifying shampoo at least once a month. If you have hard water, use a chelating shampoo. Not deep conditioning regularly. Why? Curly hair gets dry easily, especially high porosity and damaged hair. Solution: use a deep conditioner after clarifying, at least once a month. If you have hair that is damaged, you may need to deep condition once a week. Not using enough water when applying your products. Why? Water helps hydrate and clump the curls. Solution: spritz the hair with water after towel drying and before applying stylers. Spritz water as you go to avoid frizz from forming if your hair starts to dry as you're styling. Applying too much product or using too heavy products. Why? Using too much product can make it appear stringy and wet. Using products that are too heavy for your hair with lots of oils or butters can prevent it from clumping. Solution: start small and be sure to emulsify the product in your palms. A little goes a long way with most products. Not using any styling techniques or not using them properly. Why? If your hair doesn't want to clump naturally, simply raking in your product can cause it to dry stringy. Styling techniques such as brush styling, praying hands, and finger coiling can help to enhance the curl clumps. Solution: use a brush to clump the curls or other styling techniques. Section hair and apply gel before brush styling for more definition. Additionally, not brush styling properly can cause stringiness. Avoid brushing straight down like normal. Instead, hold the brush vertically and apply some pressure as you glide down the strand. Air drying and not diffusing. Why? Air drying causes the hair to dry more elongated and can result in frizz. Diffusing gives more control over the outcome. Solution: diffuse on low, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes to set the gel cast, enhance shrinkage, and prevent frizz. Not scrunching out the cast. Why? With gel, after your hair dries it will look stringy. This is normal and expected. Solution: once it's fully dry, crunch out the cast with dry hands and it will soften. Not keeping up with regular trims. Why? When hair grows out, the ends get thinner, especially if damaged. If you're seeing a lot of new growth from past hair loss, it's common to have thinner ends. Solution: get regular trims every few months to maintain thicker ends.